Hello everyone, it's your boy Sam. Welcome to X Photography. Today we're going to be talking about how to color grade using our mobile devices. If this is your first time viewing this YouTube tutorial and you enjoy, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll be the first to get the latest notifications and updates from our channel. With that said, intro.
Over the edge.
Okay, so if you wish to download some of the apps I use for editing my images and videos, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Feel free to head over to those sites and download both the normal version and the cracked version. As for this tutorial, we'll be using the Lightroom mobile app. It's a free app to download. It has some premium features, but we won't be using that now. So we'll just head over and import our images, and once we're done, we'll begin editing. Okay, before I proceed, what is color grading? Color grading is simply the tuning of an image by giving it more details and sorting the colors to your taste. In other words, you could say you're just messing around with the colors to make the picture more realistic. There are no rules or limits to color grading. It's all based on your creativity, the idea, and what you want to present. There are two ways to color grade, one of which is through the presets. Well, as the name implies, it's called a preset, meaning that it automatically edits the picture for you depending on the setting of the presets. There are tons and tons of varieties of presets which you could use depending on what you want to present. Okay, for instance, the vivid makes the image pop, giving it more of a yellow feel and making the image brighter. And if you keep on trying other presets, they all give you different results depending on the setting that the preset comes with. There are some premium features under the presets which involves paid purchases, of course, but I'll be leaving a link in the description below where you could download the cracked version and use them for free. Well, as for me, I like to mess around with the lights before I get into color grading, giving it that whole kind of realistic look. In case the image is a little bit dark, I brighten it up. If it's too bright, I turn it down a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done messing around with the lights and the image looks a bit different from before. Now we'll just head over to the color panel where we could make the image more realistic. So under the colors, we have temperature, tints, and vibrance, which you could all mess around with to give your image more feel and details. As for me, I prefer this method compared to that of the preset because it gives me this whole medium where I can manipulate the image to my advantage and explore many choices of being creative. And as you can see in the color panel, there are a lot of colors which we could use to target colors in the image and tune their saturation, their brightness, and also their grades, either from orange to red, blue to purple, green, yellow. It all depends on what you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to mess around with the saturation and luminance and edit it a bit. So this is the effects section. With this tool, we can enhance the clarity of the image, its texture, dehaze it if it's hazy, give it vintage, add a little bit of noise grain, and much more. Feel free to play around with it and give that image a little bit of feel. Okay, so that's that about color grading. As you can see, before and after. Feel free, be creative, mess around with the presets, the color panel, till you get the desired results. So now I'll just export it and save it to my device.